Welcome, 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 and congratulations for trusting yourself and joining Healing Hearts, our very close to the heart ice bath and breath work and authentic relating workshop. And I tell you one thing that I know it's not easy. It's not easy to come out of the comfort zone and doing something that could be challenging for you. Maybe you have joined just for the experience, or maybe you're feeling stuck in your areas of health, maybe career, or maybe you feel that why am I not earning, why things are happening to me, why I'm so much stressed out, I have everything but too much of anxiety. Reason could be anything. I tell you one thing for sure, that here begins your journey of changing yourself. And congratulations for challenging yourself to change, because I truly believe I challenge, I change. So great, and I look forward to see you. Make sure that you join on time, before time actually, because on time is late, before time is okay. Okay, so we will give you the reporting time. Make sure that you join. Carry your yoga mat, water bottle, maybe pen and paper, an extra pair of clothes that you would like to change. For ice bath, carry a dry fit clothes, shorts or t-shirt, anything like that. If you don't have shorts or t-shirts, don't worry. Make sure that you take bath properly, because we have to maintain hygiene for everyone, including ourselves. So in morning, make sure that you wash your whole body, hair, whole body, especially your private parts, everything very nicely, and wear neat and clean clothes also. Yeah, so rest instructions we will give you on WhatsApp also. If you have any questions, queries, feel free to connect to the designated team. And I give you this small task. I want you to be just aware as you are coming, that, and I want you, maybe you can just write it out, so that my reason of joining this workshop, and write down as much as things that you can write down. उस पर कुछ कटौती नहीं करना. Do not stop in writing. What made me to join this Healing Heart workshop? And I want you to keep on asking this question, not just one or two, because at superficial level there are few things, but at the deeper level there is more thing. And also I want you to ask that, how am I feeling now? Every now and then just keep asking, and try to identify the answers little different, not just good, okay kind of a stuff, fine, okay. These are very logical mind thing, because this workshop gonna be a big game changer for you. And I want you all to come with a very open mind, open heart, chilling like a small kid, and let's see what it unfolds. For everyone it could be very, very different. So I really look forward to welcome you. I am Yukti Raj Kishore, your facilitator for this Healing Heart workshop, and we are gonna talk more about when we connect. And we are in a digital space for more than 5 years, and we have, for now it's been an year, we are conducting these offline Healing Hearts, so we can retreat workshops also to help people to use the power of their breath to condition their mind to creating a new body and new mind, your new self, new identity, new being itself. So what are you waiting for? See you all very soon in our workshop. Stay blessed, breathe wellness in abundance.